In this video, I am going to be showing you how to make ugali, but with a twist. So there are two key ingredients in this recipe. That is my maize flour or corn flour and beetroot. So here is the twist. If you've never come across beetroot, this is how it looks like, and I'm going to be using 1 beetroot for this recipe. So I'm going to, first of all, I've already washed the beetroot. I'm going to peel, chop off the ends, and peel the skin of the beetroot. You can use a vegetable peeler or a small knife like this one. So once done, I'm going to cut the beetroot in half. Here are my quarters. So next I'm going to chop into small pieces. Once done, I'm going to move over to my stove top where I've placed a small pot with water. I'm going to add in my beetroot. Cooking the beetroot is going to help you remove that earthly flavor from the beetroot that people don't like. Then I'm going to let the beetroot cook until tender, that is around 5 minutes. Once my beetroot has come to a boil, I'm going to let the beetroot rest before grinding with my grinder. I chose to boil my beetroot. Also, you can roast or steam your beetroot. Cover, and then I'm going to grind until smooth. So I have a very smooth puree, beetroot puree. I'm going to be adding the puree to my pot. So I'm going to use a small sieve and sieve out the beetroot fibers. Press down using a spoon to remove the beetroot water. Once done, I'm going to be adding a little bit more water. And over high flame, I'm going to bring my pot to a boil. Beetroot is a good source of protein, fiber, vitamin C, and iron, along with some other benefits. And my maize flour is very rich in starch. All these benefits are going to make my ugali very healthy. Once my water comes to a boil, I'm going to add in my maize flour. Using a wooden spatula or mwiko, I'm going to mix the ugali until fully combined with the water. Once my maize flour is combined with the beetroot water, I'm going to let my ugali cook for around 5 minutes as I spin around using my wooden spatula. The secret is to mix the maize flour with the beetroot water until all the flour has dissolved into the water, so you don't have lumps in your ugali or in your beetroot ugali. You can pair this healthy beetroot ugali recipe with some proteins and some vegetables. So I am going to be enjoying mine, and I hope you're going to try out this amazing recipe.